30 seconds till market open. Yeah, I'll get Instagram after this. I'm just gonna see if I can catch this opening trade.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Damn. Why do I do this every time?
Order filled. Stop filled.
Yo, good morning, Sai. How you doing?
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, let's post. Let's post live. Not bad. Did you come up with 50K challenge series? Not yet, not yet. I'm still kind of deciding how I want to do it. I kind of want to do it with like a Lucid account, but I'm kind of debating the best way to go about that right now. I think it'd be sick if I could get Lucid accounts ready to go. Yeah. Probably. But it's just hard because like I want to be able to trade all my other accounts too, and if I'm doing that, it might make it a little harder. Because I would just be trying to focus on that one account, you know?
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Yo, what's good, Fahad? Oh. It's been quite the morning. Damn. We are moving. I always find it crazy that we always wick into my levels, get an inversion, and then come down. It's just, I see that and I'm like, damn, I should just take these trades. Let's mark out our gaps. Damn, we got like nothing. Low key. Anything on the 4 hour? Nope. Next 4 hour gap is way above. It's right here. And then I guess we have a 4 hour gap below us too. We'll see if we hold. Come up with the challenge, but like 0 to 5K in a month, starting with a 25K account. I definitely could. I just feel like I would fail. I'd have to restart those challenges a lot, just like knowing who I am. I feel I want like a challenge that I wanted to do before was like 0 to max funded using take profit trader. I just like it just sucks because I know I have rebuilds coming up, and once those get rebuilt, those accounts are gonna be here. So the only way I could really do that is if I like blow up everything and then start with one account, which isn't gonna happen anytime soon. So it's kind of hard. I think it'd be a cool idea, but it's just hard to execute it. Yeah, yeah, that's true. I know it could be. I just, man, it's so difficult. I also feel like when I did do that, it actually was the opposite. I feel like the engagement was actually just very okay. Damn. Oof, that's tough. But yeah, I think a lot of it is too is just like how I like the effort I put into like edit it and like the work that I put into like making that content good. I was just like I was really half-assing it before, which is really hard because like I want to put my all into it, but damn guys, I'm so tired whenever I'm on my off days. Even like just getting on to trade, it's so hard, difficult. I sound like a little wuss saying that, but like it's true. So I just gotta find the balance of like the amount of work that I put into it versus like what I try to get out of it, you know? Or hire an editor who isn't gonna get paid. So it's like I just gotta figure it out. Hey, appreciate it, but yeah. It's a 30-second, but I don't really like this. Alright, I'm gonna get some caffeine. Since the market's chopping around, I think this is the best opportunity. I'll be back in like a minute. Yeah, I feel like after that whole run up overnight, probably won't really see much happen during New York session. So, yeah. But who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we get a taco. Oh dang, we're moving. Oh. Need to order more. Damn. It's kind of warm. Dang, we moving. Oh, shizzle. Oh wait, did I not tell? Oh, I did not send the Discord message. Damn, that's dubs. Y'all didn't even. Y'all must have notifications on or something. Dubs. Holy top. Interesting. This is the most interesting price action I've seen in a minute, bro. I'm just like looking at this, like, damn. The 200 all the way down to 154. Damn, this chop is just, this is brutal, guys. What the fuck? Damn. 40-point wicks? Yeah, no big deal. Bruh. Damn, this PA is crazy. I know, we just literally chopping around town. Yeah, I'm still waiting for Apex, the Apex payout from like 2 weeks ago. It's crazy. It's crazy. Do I have on any insights? I would avoid them. I would avoid alpha futures right now. They're just like everything they're saying is like not true. So I'm kind of really skeptical of them right now. Especially after they shut down all the premium plans. They said all the refunds were sent out last week, and then now they're saying they're still working on the refunds. I don't know. It's very sus. And yeah. Said all refunds will be processed by end of week last week, and then now they're saying they're doing refunds in batches. They said payouts were going out in batches. I literally don't know anyone who's gotten their payout. But so it's like, I don't know. I don't know. I'm a little sus. Damn, dude. We were going downtown. It would be really hard for me to trust them after what they did on their premium accounts. Like they would need to prove themselves over a very long period of time. I think if it was any other firm, they would be done. That's my honest take. Cause you guys saw, I had 5 funded premium accounts, and each of them were 3 days away from a payout, and then gone. It's a little frustrating to any trader, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna have some Lucid giveaways on Instagram this week. I think I'm gonna start it on Thursday, just because I don't want to handle a giveaway while I'm working and stuff. So, just gonna do it on my days off, and then you guys will have good amount of time to enter. Yeah, I got 5 accounts to give away. Damn. If only there was an inversion here. Oh, it would have been sick. But there isn't. I'd be in there. Yeah, they're all 50k flex accounts. Got 5 of them. Damn. What would the risk reward on that been? So it would have been this tap here. 56 points and actually that's probably good. I was probably in the middle of getting something there. Damn. Curious, bro, did that payout hit your bank yet? There's no 2 minutes, no 1 minute, no 5 minutes, there's nothing. It's to be expected of a no news week. I'm gonna turn on financial juice just so we have that up to date. What the fuck is the difference between central bank comment? I don't know if I need any of that. Interesting. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's no news week. I don't think we have a single red folder news that impacts US. Of course Europe might, but like yeah, we're all just we don't have any orange folder news either. Damn, dog. I guess we have unemployment claims, but that one's troll. Comes down to 842. That's deep. 842? Dude, we got hundreds of points before that. But yeah, I have a level at 864 too, but that's a deep, deep, deep dive. Yep. I mean, I feel like this is usually the case, especially when Asia runs up. How many points did Asia run up? When Asia runs up, almost 400 points is usually the price action we get in New York. But we chopped around pretty much all of London session and pretty much staying within that range for New York. So I think when we break out, we might get something, but it'll just be hard. Yo, what up, Ashabella? How you doing, bro? Just watching paint dry, sitting through this. Just chilling though, bro. It has. I've been lazy with my stream, but I'm like forcing myself to stream. I'm like, if I'm trading, I need to get on the charts. Or wait, that's the same shit. If I was like, if I'm trading, I'm gonna stream it. And so I've just been forcing myself to log on. This will be my use case for getting a new PC. But yeah. How you been? You been trading well? Damn. I'll be going downtown. Oh, God. Yo, what up, Owanton? Good morning, bro. How you doing? How's the market been treating you? You're a new viewer. I feel like I haven't recognized your name before. Yeah. I'm just seeing if we can get this 1 minute inversion right here off of this level. Just ES is like barely even moving, bro. We sweep the lows here. ES is just kind of like chilling. Yeah, something like that. Well, let's see if we get this 1 minute. That should be pretty good actually. Resweep of the lows. But if we go all the way up, it's like, bro. Damn, we got equal lows. Damn, bro. Oh, don't do this to me. Bruh. 130. This would be like, I don't even think I could take this. I would need to enter like right
Order
here.
submitted.
Yeah, I don't think that happens. That's a deep drawdown. Alright. it would make me feel better if we had just swept London low right there. But we didn't. Damn. Unfortunate.
Kepler Energy reporter Bakker says 2 vessels have U-turned in the Red Sea following Houthi threats.
Really unfortunate. Would have been a huge trade.
Order cancelled.
Can't take it now though. Already ran up. Because I think if I took this, what would the risk have been? Say I took the long off here. It would have been a 40-point risk. And well, actually it would have been like a 2 to 1.
According to sources, Caspian Pipeline Consortium has stopped oil intake from Kazakhstan at its Black Sea
Actually, this
pipeline
wasn't bad.
tankers.
This is the, oh my god. Why is it like this? So this was the trade that I'm talking about. Of course I didn't take it. I don't know, the risk profile just looks too deep for me. If we had like if we had gotten an entry where I wanted to, it would have been like 24. Yeah. So if this was the entry that I wanted, just to get the low hanging fruit, traded with the stops below the swing low, and then we would have got full TP. It's a lot more difficult than what we're seeing right now play out, where it's like if I had done that, I would have needed to go back to the top of the range. But yeah, especially especially when we have London lows down below, I don't really want to test that. That's like multiple relative equal lows down there. So yeah, it's crazy that we're just like 3 points away and we don't sweep it. It's tough. Yeah, I'm not really that pressed. I got all the time in the world. Yeah, I mean we're seeing it play out right now. Direction's coming in, so that's why it was a good call not to take it. Is it possible? Yeah, you can scalp in a Lucid Flex account. Why couldn't you? I guess define what scalping means to you and I'll let you know. Oh, I don't think so. Oh, there's the London low sweep. I haven't seen anyone get denied for a payout because of that on Lucid. So I think you can scalp. Let me check the rules. FAQ. Oh, micro scalping is 5 seconds. So it just says more than 50% of your profits are generated from trades held for 5 seconds or less. So you just gotta hold for 5 seconds. Should be doable, right? 5 seconds is pretty good. All right, we're coming down. Nah, that's crazy. 5 seconds is 5 seconds is crazy doable, bro. I don't think any prop firm's gonna get less than that. Okay, I need to lock in. This could be an entry right here. We get this 1 minute. 31 to 30. Alright. One.
Order submitted.
Oh, don't do that
Order
to me.
submitted.
Now that we have swept the lows, I'm willing to risk this. Oh, 23. That'd be 50 points. At the bottom of the damn. Straight to stop loss.
US chip stocks climb, Nvidia up 0.6%, Intel gains 4.6%, AMD up 4.3%, and Micron jumps 6.8%.
Yeah, maybe I should have waited for the 2 minute. Just straight to stop loss is crazy. Yeah, this might be cooked. Insta cooked. It's just crazy because like ES is holding up very well, but NQ is just getting smoked. 80, so this will be 43 points. Damn, unlucky. What? No way, dude. No way. You guys see that? What in the world? That's crazy. That's crazy. No, we definitely get stopped out here. There's no way. I see like no strength in this.
Stop filled.
Yeah, unlucky. Alright, I gotta journal this. Unfortunate. I thought it looked good because ES was holding up, but NQ is just weak as shit, I guess. Copy of trading journal. Yeah, maybe it was smarter to wait for the 2 minute. Damn. A 2 minute would have, yeah, closed up at 146 and then would have, yeah. Yeah. Got him. Date is 07/21/2026. MNQ, where did I enter? 29,123. Points risk 123, and I got out here 29,078. 29,123 minus 29,078 is 45. I was going for 123, so 60, 67, 3, and loss. So this one, we had liquidity, had iFVG, support and resistance, yes. Break of VWAP. No, we're holding VWAP. I think we're also off VWAP. No, kinda. No, not really. Targeting buy side, yes. Change in CISD. I guess we didn't have that either. Nope, and was it? No rejection from higher time frame fair value gap. Damn, that might have been in buns. Yeah, but the war news is kind of temporary, you know? Or not kind of temporary, but like the war news is low-key like fake news. I don't know, I don't really trust anything Trump says. Damn, it's tough. ES is still holding so well. Damn. It's crazy. My stops! Just below VWAP. Damn. Do, 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 do. Damn. Crazy. It's crazy. Stopped out by like 15 points. Unfortunate. Yeah, I mean, it's a no news week, so probably we'll just be chopping around most of the time. Kinda unlucky. Damn. Damn. It's a huge short. Damn, it's a massive candle, bruh. This is a crazy chop. It's like holy crap. Oh. Nothing we could really do about it though. Holding VWAP on NQ.
According to JMIC, Hormuz Strait commercial traffic fell to a 3-week low. So JMIC saying attacks on tankers in Omani waters reduced Hormuz traffic.
Damn, we were doing this again. Same trade, huh? Damn. Damn. That is crazy. Look at how far we're going. Holy. We might close this 2-minute. But this would be the 1-minute candle. Oh. Let's just see how this 2-minute closes. Might take this longs. It would just be hard to see where my stop is. Like here. Pretty much right back at 118. See if we can get a closure. It's hovering it. Damn, we're just gonna go straight up. Yikes. Alright,
Order
let's try it.
submitted.
The 2-minute is at 217. So it's like right here. It's gonna stop. Honestly, I could go for the highs. That's a massive, massive move though. Damn, bro. Really doing it to me again. Damn, bro. That's unfortunate. Yeah, I just didn't really have much to trail. I was only up like 10 points at the most, so it was like, there's nothing really to trail there. It might just be a 2L kind of day. Damn.
Stop filled.
That is so unfortunate. Oh, it's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Bro, there's no fucking way.
China's moonshot in talks on pre-IPO funds at $50
That's
billion
crazy.
milestone.
That's literally crazy. Bro. Insane. Insane. That's actually insane. Uh, it's actually insane, bro. Alright, fuck it, I'm
Order
taking
submitted.
this. Stops at the low. If I get stopped out again, I'm cooked. There we go. I'll go break even at the break of this wick. There we go.
Stop filled.
I'm a wuss, bro. I have a feeling this is gonna come back. Or not. 73, another 20. Alright, this basically negates my second loss. Oh, man. But yeah, this is definitely a choppy ass session. Maybe patience would have paid. Just so hard. Getting burned like that is fucking unreal. And now it's gonna go straight to TP, of course, of course. God damn it, bruh. Hey, nice. I saw, congrats, bro. You had your biggest day. Doves. 1700 on the day is huge, bro. Damn, here's full TP. Fuck. Trading really gets me, bro. God, I think it's the stop out. That would have put me, what, break even on the day? Entering at 149, getting out here at 60. Yeah, I'd be green. Fuck. Fuck, dude. Hey, that dump? Yeah, I know. It was like perfect. It was literally, I remember. You're like, I need this shit to dump right now, and it dumped. Oh man. Hey, sometimes it's just how the cookie crumbles with NQ. Hey, congrats, Fahad. That's lit, bro. 200. That feels like I got double stop rated, bro. That's just so unfortunate. I gotta journal this shit though. So let's see. 2026, 07, 21. MNQ, I think it was another long. Where was my entry? That's so fucking unfortunate, bro. 29, 123. Wait. No, it's not. This is my entry. 29, 151. 29, 151.75. Oh, what a fucking stop out, bro. 29, 115.
Chinese and Australian foreign ministers.
Was that 36? I should have put my exit price. Calculating this shit is gonna be annoying every time. What is that? 29,151.75. Exit was 29,115.25. 29,115.25. So 36 and a half. What was that? 151 to here would be like 60. Loss. Damn, bro. We got smoked. 0721. Another long.
The S&P 500.
29, 149.5. 29, 149.5. Risk was 49 and 18, so like 30. And I got I was gonna say, man, I feel like whenever that happens, you just gotta take it. That's just a sign, like things were meant to be. 149, and I got out here at 72, so that's like 23. Damn, that was horrible risk reward. What the fuck? Damn, you tried shorting this? Sheesh, bro. Good luck. Market is just fucking cooked right now, bro. We got resistance. You can see what happens here. Unlucky. Should have been one win, one loss. That stop hunt was fucking unfortunate. Damn. Here's the Giga full TP right here. Alright, later Fahad. W win, bro. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. I think I'll try to stream tomorrow too. Damn, we're holding this level like crazy. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah, ES swept the highs. Oh, wow. That was a great notification. I'm glad you told me that. This is SMT. ES swept the highs, but NQ didn't. Damn, I'm just holding this 1 minute. It's crazy. Damn. Here we go again. Get this inversion. Should be a 2-minute too.
Order submitted. Stop filled.
Damn. Break even. Alright, with that, I'm gonna call it a day. I just, L day. Unfortunate stop outs, but it is what it is. Right idea, just bad entries, and then, yeah. But we'll be back tomorrow, and hopefully tomorrow's better for us. Good luck, everybody who's still trading. I am off.